life. This has happened to me just in my daily life when I turn my neck or turn my body or when I'm working out, something pops and something cracks. Is it safe? That doesn't mean it's gonna misalign. Joints pop all the time. You suddenly make your knuckles to crack. They make a noise. Those are bubbles popping. So you cannot prevent them, and that doesn't mean it's unsafe. It just means that something popped in there. And if you have shifted something drastically, there's a popping associated with it. And then there's a lot of symptoms afterwards, like neck tension, headaches, pain down the arm or pain down the leg, more soreness in that area. Something must have happened. You definitely want to evaluate it. But just the popping itself doesn't mean you adjusted it, you moved it. It just means you shifted something. And then we just have to take a look if it is bothering you or not. So the popping isn't necessarily a problem. It's what has happened to it. Is there damage to the joint? Is there subluxation there now? Just to find out what's going on, it takes more than just you feeling things. It takes an evaluation.